Hi, everyone, and welcome to English, the Gab Lab. Talking about your day is one of the most useful things in English. Today, we'll practice with a simple conversation between a mother, Helen, and her son, Frank. They're having dinner while they talk about university and work. Are you ready? Let's start.
Frank, dinner's ready. Come and help me set the table, please.
I'm coming, Mom. I'll just finish one thing and I'll be there. It smells great. What's for dinner?
Your favorite, chicken and rice. I hope you're hungry.
Oh, yes, Mom, that's delicious. Thank you so much. Studying makes me very hungry.
Good. I'm glad because I made a lot. Please help me set the table.
Okay.
So, tell me, how was your day at university?
It was really good, actually, but it was a very long day. I had to do a presentation and I had an exam, too.
Oh, you didn't tell me that. How did they go?
The presentation was great. They liked it a lot, and the teacher told me, well done.
That's nice, honey. You're good at speaking in front of people. Not like me. I get very nervous. And how was the exam?
Well, I don't know why, but at first I was very nervous, and I couldn't find the correct words. Then I remembered what you told me once. If I'm nervous, I have to close my eyes, breathe deeply 2 or 3 times, and let the air out slowly.
And did it work?
Yes, I managed to relax, and finally I could finish the exam. But it was hard. I haven't felt that way in a long time.
Oh, poor you. I'm happy you remembered my advice and that the breathing helped you with your nervous. Sometimes they can be difficult, but I'm sure you did a great job.
I hope so, because it's a very important exam. And what about you, Mom? How was your day at work?
My day was very busy too. I had many meetings today. Especially in one of them, we didn't agree on anything. It was a very long and tiring meeting.
Oh, no. And did you agree on something in the end?
Yes, but it took almost 4 hours, and some people weren't happy. I hope we made the right decision.
4 hours? That's crazy. And do you have any meetings tomorrow, or is it a quiet day?
No, I don't have any meetings tomorrow. I hope I can work quietly in my office and finish some reports. I have a lot to check.
Let's cross our fingers then. I hope tomorrow is quieter than today.
Oh, I almost forgot. Guess who I saw at the supermarket today?
Well, if you don't give me a clue, I have no idea.
Ha ha, true. I saw your teacher, Miss Gardner. She asked about you.
Oh, she's so nice. I haven't seen her for a long time. She was my favorite teacher at school. Her classes were great, and we learned so many things with her.
Yes, I know. And she liked you a lot, too. She sends her best wishes to you. Have you finished your dinner? Do you want something for dessert?
No thanks, Mom. I'm full. Everything was delicious. You're a great cook.
I'm glad, honey. Thank you.
Go get some rest, Mom. I'll put the dishes in the dishwasher and wash the rest.
Oh, thank you, Frank. I really appreciate it. I'm exhausted.
You're doing great. Now, we're going to do a quick quiz about the conversation you just heard between Frank and his mom, Helen. To check your understanding, listen carefully to the questions and don't forget to leave your answers in the comments. I'll give you a heart if you get them right. Let's go for it. 1. What did Frank and Helen have for dinner? A. Chicken and rice. B. Fish and chips. 2. What did Frank do to relax during his exam? A. He drank some juice. B. He closed his eyes and breathed deeply. Three. Who did Helen see at the supermarket? A. Frank's teacher, Miss Gardner. B. Frank's best friend. Great! You're doing a fantastic job with your English. Thanks to this video, now you know how to talk about your day in English.
If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our future lessons. See you in the next video. Bye!